Hey, Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. So right here we have the Piggy Pro premium phone stand. It's razor thin, it says, and it actually has a concealed compact mirror, and it easily adheres to phones and cases, and it actually works with metal magnet mounts as well. So it's magnetic. That's pretty cool. And like I said, if your case like this is just an OtterBox, does not have any stand, I can't do a kickstand to stand it up, either vertical or horizontal. So this will let me do that. So let's go ahead, just take a look in the box. Of course, it didn't show up like this. I just started it to show you, and they have a bunch of different colors that you can get. So it is pretty thin there, and it feels like almost like an aluminum finish. And also in the box we have some additional adhesive, looks like. I guess that's what it is. There's no other instructions there, but there is a little pull tab here, and then get that, and you can see hello. And then let's see, it says when applying directly to waterproof phone cases or cases, first apply the black sticker. Waterproof phones or cases. It's not a this one's not, it's water resistant, I guess. So I guess that one doesn't make sense, but if you have an OtterBox that is waterproof or something else like that, then you might want to change it up. So let's go ahead and try this real quick, see how easy install is. So it is pretty cool. This color is pretty cool as well. So it wants you to do it this way, so it sits like that and then opens up. So that's 3M. Keep that out of the way there, and then we will position it where we want it. Hopefully that's pretty even. Press it down. Nope, that came right off. Okay, so I guess I need to do this. It is considered like a waterproof because it's like a leather. So let's see if this will work. If I can get this off here. Not very easy. Come on. Come on. Need some good nails to open this up. There's no like starter area for this. Alright, so that took me about a minute or so to actually get that peeled off. So it's peeled off, and then I'm going to go ahead and let's see if this works. So I'm going to position it. Position it there. I guess this lets it stick to whatever it has to. And then we're going to do this again. And position that right on top of that area we put down. Let's see how that works. Okay, that's good. It's not coming anywhere. So there you go. It's all connected. And then you can see, whoa, here you can see myself right in it. And then if we want, stand up the phone just like that. Or I guess if I unplug it, you can also do that as well. So that's pretty cool. That's the Piggy Pro premium phone stand right there. That's what's in the box, and that's just go ahead and set it up. Pretty cool feature. I think this is great for probably good for women who, if they're not carrying that compact or don't want to look in the phone camera real quick. This is something that's cool. You can put right on a case, or really good for anybody that just wants to make sure that they're looking all right before they go somewhere. So again, that's the Piggy Pro premium phone stand. It works with magnetic mounts, adheres to phones and cases. The only thing was just getting this 3M sticker thing and the black sticker off to work with the case. But besides that, it's a really cool razor thin, add-on for any phone, and a bunch of different colors that are available. So there it is. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe right here, and we'll see you soon.